Salam alaikum, everyone. Welcome back to Leo's Chronicles, where narratives roar to life. Good day, history enthusiasts. This is your host, ABC, and I have got an exciting scoop for you today. The wait is finally over. The legendary Engin Altan Duzyatan, known for his iconic portrayal of Ertugrul, is on the verge of sealing the deal for a brand new project. The burning question on everyone's mind: is it a series, a film, or something entirely unexpected? Stick with us as we uncover the details. Get ready to witness history unfold as Engin Altan Duzyatan gears up for his next big project. If rumors hold true, we might be seeing the king of historical characters back on our screens in September or October next year. But what's the project? Let's dive into the details. Kashif Ansari, the producer of Salahaddin Ayyubi, dropped a bombshell shooting for a movie on Hazrat Khalid bin Waleed begins in March. Could Engin Altan be the leading man? Speculations are rife, especially considering Barish Arduj turned down the role. The suspense continues as the lead actor remains a well-kept secret. Will Altan join the Salahaddin Ayyubi series? Unlikely. And his recent movie projects? No signs yet. In an interview, Altan hinted at a historical comeback. Emre Konak reached out for Sultan Alaeddin Kayikbad I, and whispers suggest Altan might take on a more significant role producer. Imagine the iconic Ertugrul as a series producer. A move that could reshape the landscape of historical dramas. Some say Ataturk series might be in Altan's future. Clarification: there's a documentary, not a series. But here's a wish: Altan as the producer of his historical series. Imagine the uniqueness he'd bring. In a recent talk, Engin Altan dropped some hints that he might be trying something different from what he usually does in his acting. When someone asked if he's going to play a surprising and unusual character, he said, "I've read the script, and I think it could happen. We'll give it a shot soon. You'll get a taste of it shortly." The sneak peek from Altan suggests that he's stepping into new and exciting territory, planning to portray a character that will really stand out. Engin Altan's recent words have set off a wave of speculation about the kind of role he might be taking on. It's like putting together the pieces of a puzzle. Maybe it's an action-packed character, a figure in the mafia, someone in the military, an antagonist, or even a killer role. My guess is that he might join the cast of the Fatih series, or perhaps step into the shoes of Khalid bin Waleed in a historic series. The possibilities are intriguing, and only time will unveil the mystery. Let's wait and see where Altan takes us with this new and mysterious role. So many projects loom ahead. Which one will Altan embrace? Your guess is as good as ours. Share your thoughts and predictions in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe to stay tuned for the latest on this historic revelation. Until next time, this is ABC signing off.